Hello, Monday morning, a beautiful day outside in Florida, and Mrs. T from Kansas, 66206, sent me this gorgeous Pakistani, excellent quality vegetable dye to be clean because the dog using it not in a proper way. I laid the rug on my vacuum floor. I sprayed the rug gently with a special My Secret cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This acidic cleaning product will hold the color so the color will never run. I'm cleaning the Oriental rug on the vacuum floor. I flood the rug on the top and I extract everything from the bottom through the rug. So I flush out all the urine crystal, the chemicals the lady used on the rug, and all of them fall down to the pan and whoop-a, send it to the sewage. Pee-pee supposed to be in a sewage. I would like to invite you to my warehouse to listen how the extraction, the powerful vacuum, flood the rug nicely, gently. And this is the key issue to remove the urine odor completely. Let's see it in a high speed. After the vacuum extract all the cleaner through the rug, the pan underneath filled with all the dirty water. This dirty water go to the sewage and I can see what coming from the rug. When it's yellow, I continue the cleaning process and I'm waiting till the tube will become clear. When the tube is clear, the Oriental rug is clean. I left the rug on the floor flat because it is vegetable dye. The color will run if I hang it. So I leave the rug on the floor. For the next 12 hours, no moving. One rug belonged to Kansas, one rug is all the way from Liverpool, England. Take a look side by side, the difference in the color. The left side is brighter, the red is red because it's a vegetable dye. And the other one, it's before. This is how I receive it. I'm sure the lady from Kansas, Mrs. T, will be thrilled when she will see how bright and beautiful it is, and it's free from urine odor. When the rug will dry, UPS will come to my warehouse, pick up the rug, and go back to Kansas. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.